Hi, this is Boyd. Excuse me for the cough there. Welcome to my messy truck. I'm on my way home. I had to replace the blower motor on my 2009 Ford Ranger today. What a pain it was. The high today was about 10 degrees Fahrenheit, above zero. Yes, it is Minnesota, but I replaced the resistor block thing. I got the old one in here in the mess in my truck here somewhere, but I replaced the resistor block. Still didn't fix it. This fan would run, but I had it plugged in out of the box cage, where the fan goes into the big plastic thing ahead of the firewall. And as I moved around, the fan would speed up, slow down, speed up, slow down. And the guys at Napa, one of them knew me well enough. He just says, "Oh boy, just take this new one out and plug in it and test it." Well, the new fan worked a lot better. So I decided, 103,000 miles, this fan was worn out. But the reason for this video, Napa actually has a replacement pigtail. This goes to the resistor block down below and to the side of the fan. And the one that is still on this truck is so rusty, I had to break apart the plastic on the old resistor block because it was stuck on this plug. Well, this plug that's still on the truck, it literally was stuck. I could not get the bleeping thing off. I try to avoid swearing because I don't think it's classy, but I'm gonna install this wiring little thing, wire it into the wiring harness of this truck on a warmer day. But the reason for this video, what I did to clean the little connectors in the pigtail that's on this truck, is I took a zip tie. If you find the right size zip tie, it'll fit right in there. And I bought some from Napa, and they just fit right in. They actually went in rather far. I put them in and out one side, then flip it over, put it in and out from the other direction on each hole. And then I sprayed it with an electric motor cleaner, and then I put dielectric grease into it and plugged it in, and I now have a working fan. I do have the flapper back in there somewhere is broke. Please excuse my mess. I got tools, I got tape, I got all kinds of crap in here. This is my main vehicle right now, since I got to fix the rear brakes on my 2011 Ranger. But this would be a good shop tool, a zip tie. Not only for tying up things, but for cleaning wire connectors. But anyway, please watch my other videos. I hope that pop-up for my bedtime reminder did not appear on the screen in this video. But I'm gonna have to do some really good wiring for this, because I don't want to be frying resistor blocks. But anyway, please see my other videos. I have a list of a bunch of other videos I plan to record in the next few months on a variety of subjects: mechanical, trains, Lyme disease, and other stuff. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.